How to hide your friends on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you hide friends on Snapchat. So let's get started. On this process, at first, you'll have to open the application Snapchat with your account. Alright, so after you open the Snapchat, you'll got such interface. So from here, at the bottom left corner, tap on chat. Okay, so from the chat section, you can easily find out every chat or conversation whom you want to hide. So for that, you'll have to just select the conversation or friend whom you want to hide. So for that, tap and hold that conversation or chat. Alright, so after you tap and hold, you'll have to tap on chat and notification settings. Okay, so from the chat and notification settings, you can easily find the options like hide chat, or you can also go the options like clear chat from the chat feed. Okay, so if you find the options like hide chat, you can easily tap on that, or you can also tap on the option clear from chat feed. Okay, tap on clear. Alright, so as you can see, I have successfully cleared the chat of my friends on Snapchat, and from here, by tapping on the source wheel, I can easily search that friend and I can easily start a new conversation for that person on Snapchat. So this is the simplest and easiest way to hide or clear the chats of friends on Snapchat. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.